welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm very excited to share with you what I got last weekend. If you like fashion, beauty and lifestyle, then you are in the right place, and make sure you subscribe my channel. And my name is Sabina, and you can be a part of my YouTube family. There's a red subscribe button down below. Just hit that button down below, and also don't forget to turn blue notification bell on so you won't miss any of my video. So let's get started in video. I'm very excited to share with you what I got. It was a very unexpected gift from my husband, and he's always so sweet and kind, so I'm very thankful for that too. I got something from Dior. I'm very excited. I know that I always do Dior unboxing. I love doing these unboxing videos and reviews videos, but for the sake of video I cannot just go and buy things. So I haven't bought anything from Dior for like last few months. Maybe I would say like 2 months or something. So last weekend we just went to go eat lunch, and we went to go to see what's new in the Dior store. So we walked in and we were just looking around, and of course Brandon is so sweet and kind. I was not even planning to buy anything, trust me. So he forced me to buy this one, and he bought this for me. So he's so sweet, and this is not my birthday or anniversary or anything. I keep telling him like, no, I don't need to buy right now, but he was like, no, you need that in your collection. So I said like, okay. And now I'm gonna do the unboxing. I like how they do, like, you know, all this nice packaging. Here is the box, and look at this box, is so beautiful. I like the quality of the box and how they make it so pretty. I like the white and gold. Look at white and gold, looks so pretty. And this is the box. Let's open this box, and I like this ribbon, and look at the box, how pretty is this? So let's open it. I'm so excited. I love opening this new box. It feels like a Christmas. We have so much tissue paper, like, you know, we should not be using too much paper. So that is inside this tissue, and I'm gonna just open this one. And both things are inside this dust bag. You guys already guessed that what's inside there. It comes with this dust bag. So are you guys ready? I'm so excited. That's right. Here is my new Dior 30 Montaigne box bag. Look at this, how pretty is this? I love this bag. It smells so good. So this is the bag, and definitely in this other dust bag they have a strap. So this is strap here. Look at how pretty is this strap. I like this strap because this is a little bit different than any other strap. I like this big buckle. I don't know if this color buckle. It says Christian Dior Paris, and I also like this hole with this gold. I like this details too. And this one is really thick strap. You can carry like this if you go just for night out, or you can do the crossbody when you just go out. You know, this is not a very big, it's a box bag. I am kind of a little bit confused right now. Should I keep this box bag, or should I return and get the bigger size? So this is how it looks like in the bag. It's a little side pocket here. I don't think so anything feels very tight, and it says 30 Montaigne, and I don't think so anything fits here. Let me try my phone. Not really. I don't think so anything fits inside this. Like, that's the reason I was thinking like, should I get the bigger one or just skip this box bag? And here is the clasp here, and of course it says CD, and you can just press this and it will open like this. And this is a lamb skin, and this is how it looks inside. Here it's very small. See, it's very small, and it's all leather inside, and it comes with this, of course, the Dior envelope, and it has a Dior authenticity card and all the catalogs inside, and that's all comes in this envelope. I'll just keep inside here, and a small pocket inside here. I think if I use this bag, I have to use my small wallet. And let me see my phone fits here or no. Yeah, it does fit my phone. But I don't know. I don't know what to do, what you guys think. Like, I just feel like this is too small. Like, should I just go and return this and get the bigger size? Look at this, like, there is hardly even a room for my small wallet here. I think about I have a wallet like this size. Think about this is my wallet, and yeah, it maybe kind of fit like for night out, like not for going shopping or anything, but just go for night dinner. So I really like this bag, and I like the little shiny lambskin here, and this is very pretty. I don't have any box bag. It looks like this from the side, and this looks from the back. And again, another black bag. Like, that I love all the colors, but I'm not really good to taking care of any light colors, so I always go with black. Black and gold is my favorite. I wear all the time is gold. I just put the strap on, and this is very long strap, and you can change this one, and it's very easy to go like up and down. This is how it looks like with the straps. I love this bag, but I really don't know, should I keep this or should I go get the bigger one? So let me know down in the comment below, should I keep this bag or go exchange with the bigger size? So yeah, this is my new bag added to my collections, and I'm very excited, and I'm very thankful to my husband that he forced me to buy this one. And by the way, this is their winter collection. Here is my new bag. If you like this video, then make sure you do thumbs up, and also let me know in the comment down below that should I keep this bag or should I go and exchange with a bigger size. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, then make sure you subscribe and share and comment, and I would be so grateful for that. And thank you so much for hanging out with me here today and watching my video. It means a lot to me. Thank you for supporting me and subscribing my channel. You guys are so awesome. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.